Hello everyone, today in this video we will fight against the Atmas character of our world around us, and this time we will talk about short book published last year by one of the relatively young Polish historian about the wars between Polish dukedoms because of Polish dukedoms and Jodwingians. Jodwingians were actually people from the Baltic group of people, so relatives to modern Lithuanians and Latvians, and actually extinct Prussians. And the territories where they were living are the territories that correspond to northeast territories of Poland, Suwałki region, and some of the Kaliningrad Oblast and some of the modern Latvia. This is very interesting part of history because these nations like Jodwingians and Prussians, as I mentioned, they got extinct because at the end of the day they got conquered by Teutonic Knights and slowly assimilated, very slowly, because Jotvingians, in contrast to other Prussians, original ones, old Prussians, were used later after the conquest by Germans to suppress other Prussians, to keep them under the German control, and as collaborators they fulfilled their functions really well. So to many of them, despite the fact they were very much Catholic order, Teutonic Knights allowed them to practice paganism and allowed them to practice their own language for quite long, even till the 17th century. Okay, so the interesting thing is that recently there is new wave of interest in their military history and in their conflicts between Polish dukedoms, because then Polish was partitioned into actually not partitioned, divided into many dukedoms. This is typical feature of majority of states in feudal Europe in the 12th and 13th century, and this book by Mr. Jakub Joszyński describes the war between Polish dukedoms and Jodwingians in the years of 1247 till 1282. Actually, in 1283, Germans finished the conquest of Jotwingians' land, and we can have a nice overview of the tactics used by all sides of the conflict. Surprisingly, not only Polish dukedoms and Jotwingians tribal federation were taking parts in this conflict, but also Rusin states like state of the 13th century ruler of Halis Russia, Daniel Halicki, who was even for 11 years crowned by papal legate as a king of Halis Ruthenia, but the union of the churches never was actually created, never existed. And this is a really interesting period, and I'm really happy that from time to time such publications telling about these conflicts and the complexity of their political relations and tactics used by all sides of the conflicts, that these publications really are released, and one can study very much neglected historical period of the Central European regions. All the best, have a nice day, bye.